Here's everything you need to know about Soft 99's Glaco Glass Compound Roll-On. This deep cleaning abrasive cleaning agent is a must if you are looking to extract the best possible performance from any glass coating. You can work on a dry surface, but it's a good idea to wet the glass before work. This will make the product slightly less abrasive and easier to spread. Apply slight pressure on the bottle and move it on the glass until surface no longer visibly repels the product. Rinse the compound thoroughly and don't let it dry. After the application, rinse the glass until all residue is gone. If you see water flowing down freely with no water repellency visible, it means that your glass is perfectly decontaminated and ready for the coating. Want to know a cool trick? Compound Roll-On's applicator head comes off, allowing you to easily clean it. Put it under running water, leave it to dry, and you can safely use it again. A practical bottle and felt applicator make Compound Roll-On a super user-friendly glass cleaner. No splashes or overspray, and any risk of scratching the glass is effectively eliminated.
We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.